Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today video is about how to replace cabin filter by is350. is250, 350, most of the car are same. So this car is is350. So it's on the switchboard. So first you have to unlock it, and you see that area. You have to pull up this part, this thing, it goes up, pull it up. So that's the filter. So there is two knots, you push them down, and there is a clip where you hold it and pull it up. So here you go. So this is the filter which I already replaced. It's brand new, so you can buy a new filter and put on the frame or cover, and you can just put in, press, push this area, push this clip, and that's it. And you can then pull that cover up. That's it. Thank you for watching.